Seneca Station. Seneca Station. Doors will be open. Please step away from the doors. The next stop will be Erie Canal Harbor Station.
This was hard for me to digest.
Legit? Are we crossing? I think we're crossing over.
Erie Canal Harbor Station. This is the end of the line. Please gather personal belongings before exiting the train.
Want to make a correction to that, folks. We're not stopping at the harbor, we're going straight to the event center.
Erie Canal Harbor Station. Doors will be open. Please step away from the doors.
We have the green. There it is.
Alright folks, this is the event center, this is end of the line, don't forget your property.
Still some on plate.